Yo, es sind Expo Cyan, Mixtape 09. Das ist die Zugabe.
Big Zeke on the beach.
Yo, es ist das Mixtape 09, die Zugabe. Aufgrund der positiven Rückmeldungen von unserem ersten Tape haben wir uns überlegt, machen wir die Zugabe. Zugabe 09. Brrr.
Sure what it do. You can ride with the big boys with the big toys. The Lake Berry, yes a boy, real McCoy. Dip to the left, dip to the right. Dip that car and that motorbike. If you own one wheel, you better hold it tight. If you get the white chick, you better polarize. I like watching old flicks like Dolomite. 448, wait so precise. Holla at the kid, holla at the boy, holla at the girl, but not the decoy. Holla at them niggas, holla at them hoes, holla at the bartender, post some more. I was riding with the freaks who said, this one go. The homies in the streets say, this one go. You can dance to the beat, girl, this one go. And if you go like I go, yeah, this one go.
You can't touch this. You can't touch this. My music hits me so hard, makes me say, oh my Lord, thank you for blessing me. What am I to rhyme and do hype? It feels good when you know you're down. A super dope homeboy from the Oak Town, and I'm known as such. And this is a beat you can't touch. I told you, homeboy, you can't touch this. Yeah, that's how we living, and you know you can't touch this. Look in my eyes, man, you can't touch this. Yo, let me bust the funky lyrics. Fresh new kicks and bands, you got it like that. Now you know you wanna dance, so move out of your seat and get a fire girl and catch this beat while it's rolling. Hold on, pump a little bit and let the noise go on like that, like that. Hold on a minute, just don't fall on back. Let them know that you're too much, and this is a beat they can't touch. Yo, I told you, you can't touch this. Why you standing there, man? You can't touch this. Yo, sound the bell, school is in, sucker. You can't touch this. Give me a song, a rhythm, making them sweat. That's what I'm giving them now. They know. You talk about the hammer, you're talking about a show that's hot and tight. Singles are sweating so fast, I'm a whiteboard tape. To learn what's it gonna take in the 90s to burn the charts. Legit, either work hard or you might as well quit. That word, because you know you can't touch this. You can't touch this. Break it down. Stop. Hammer time.
Es ist mal wieder einer dieser Tage, an denen überhaupt nichts geht. Ich bleib bei mir so, ich hab nichts zu tun. Ich kenn alles schon, ist alles nicht gut. Ich bleib bei mir so, ich hab nichts zu tun. Ich kenn alles schon, ist alles nicht gut. Dir ist so langweilig und du wachst gerade erst auf zwischen zwei asiatischen Girls und im Radio hörst du folgende Nachricht.
Gestern Abend hat Vietnam die Vereinigten Staaten zerstört.
Langweilig, aber jetzt musst du los, sonst kommst du zur Arbeit zu spät. Grad auf dem Weg in der Bahn fragt dich so ein Typ nach dem Wahlergebnis. Hey, hast du auch die Illuminaten gewählt? Sie haben gewonnen mit 23 Stimmen von der SPD. Nee, du kommst echt zu spät, stehst auf, gehst los, gehst die Straße hoch, stehst grad vom Büro, als eine Linienmaschine in dein Büro fliegt. Jetzt bist du arbeitslos in deinem Wohngebiet zurück, merkst du, alle Häuser bis auf deins wurden von einem Hurricane gepflückt. Du betrittst deine Wohnung genau in dem Moment, in dem deine Freundin die Fruchtblase platzt. Also auf geht's zum Krankenhaus und rein in den OP. 2, 3 Wehen und eine Fehlgeburt. Später auf dem Heimweg sehnst du dich nach Tagen, an denen diese fade Langeweile vergeht. Tut mir leid, der Mann hat nämlich AIDS und Krebs. Doch du erfährst es nie, du hast dich gerade in den Wagen gesetzt. Deine Freunde stehen lassen, sitzt schon vor der Playsee und denkst, es ist mal wieder einer dieser Tage, an denen überhaupt nichts geht.
Let me talk to him. Let me talk to him. Let it rain. Let me talk to him. Come on. Shawty got them apple bottom jeans with the fur. The whole club was looking at her. She hit the floor. Next thing you know, shawty got low. Them baggy sweatpants and the Reeboks with the strap. She turned around and gave that big booty a slap. She hit the floor. Next thing you know, shawty got low. so sexual. She was flexible, professional, drinking Xano. Hold up, wait a minute, do I see what I think I will? Did a thing I seen, sure to get low. Ain't the same when it's up that close. Make it rain, I'm making it snow. Work the pole, I got the bang bro. I'ma say that I prefer them no clothes. I'm into that, I love women exposed. She threw it back at me, I gave her move. Cash ain't a problem, I know where it goes. She had them apple bottom jeans, boots with the fur. The whole club was looking at her. She hit the floor. Next thing you know, shorty got low, 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 low.
You ready? Let's go. Yeah. For those of you that want to know what we're all about, it's like this, y'all. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name. He doesn't need his name up in lights, he just wants to be heard, whether it's the beat or the mic. He feels so unlike everybody else, alone, in spite of the fact that some people still think that they know. But no, he knows the code. It's not about the salary, it's all about reality and making some noise, making a story, making sure his click stays up. That means when he puts it down, Tox picking it up. Let's go.
Who the hell is he anyway? He never really talks much, never concerned with status, but still even him starstruck. Humble through opportunities given despite the fact that many misjudge him cause he makes a living from writing raps. Put it together himself, now the picture connects. Never asking for someone's help or to get some respect. He's only focused on what he wrote. His will is beyond reach, and now it all unfolds. The skill of an artist. This is 20% skill, 80% fear. Be 100% clear, cause Ryu was ill. Who would've thought he'd be the one that set the West in flames? And I heard him wreck it with the crystal method, name of the game. Came back, dropped Megadeth.